Perfect for storing and chilling your favorite beverages and specialty drinks, the Whynter Beverage refrigerators are a stylish addition to any home, office, or game room. This Whynter BR-128WS refrigerator is a freestanding unit that can be set up just about anywhere. The premium appeal of this unit features an exclusive stainless steel trimmed glass door which keeps your beverages organized and easy to find. Also, a soft LED lighting allows you to view the contents while maintaining internal temperatures and increasing energy efficiency. With its powerful compressor system, this unit features fan-forced circulation to maintain an evenly cooled space, ensuring consistent temperatures throughout the interior. With thermostat settings and temperatures that range between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, this beverage refrigerator makes sure your drinks are always cold and refreshing. Crafted with functionality and modern designs, the Whynter Beverage refrigerators are the ideal choice for compact and efficient beverage display and refrigeration. Please visit our website for the most current Whynter Beverage refrigerators lineup.